Your favorite Vine, Pete. What's your favorite toy?
I want Vine.
Pete's Vine. Pete's not like the Vine. Life-size creatures. Wait, where's the Corvette? Well, I'm gonna do show some. Oh, Pete, I have this. I have this still somewhere. They still sell. I have this too. I have both of them, so I keep waiting to still sell them. What are these bugs? That's weird. Fincher, what the heck?
They got the new.
Look at all the Star Wars stuff.
They got the new thing.
Remember Zimber, Pete? You remember that? The dog?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the Furbies too. They have so much stuff now. I haven't been in here in at least 10 years. It's been a long time. Look, they even made the lightsabers a lot smaller now. I saw the giant ones. Oh, it's funny. Hey Pete, wanna get a Furby? Well, they're weird looking now. Furby Zoom. It's so weird. Fine, I'll Pete. Here, Pete. Here you go.
That's
Here you go, hold it. Oopsie.
still got this.
You have so much stuff here. So much of exactly the same stuff we had. We got Koi Con Jin. Wait, that's not him. Is that him? No, never mind. Looks like him. I remember, Pete. Remember we used to have these. We used to always lose the lightsaber part.
Yeah.
They're so hard. Yeah, we always lose them.
You remember? You ever get these Beyblades?
Where?
These things back in the day.
No. I think I put them over your house before.
You used to get like a little thing. You like.
Like an arena.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, why does Han Solo have different hands? Different change out hands.
They probably don't.
So weird. I haven't been here in forever. I'm probably doing my own cooking show. The hell come? What are these things?
Yeah, are you kidding me?
I never saw these before. Okay, next on the cooking show, I'm gonna have to go in the fridge. I'm gonna have to go in the fridge and get some spaghetti.
You're getting real weird.
There's nothing you made. Hold on. We got some pasta here. Pasta.
Hey, what are you doing?
Are you kidding me? It's pasta.
What is this?
Let me see if I can get the camera back. It looks like actually like a movie set kinda. If you go into your walk-in closet. Go into your walk-in closet over there.
What the hell is
Don't break the chandelier. Pete, welcome to your new home. It's like a Sweet 16 party or a home edition. Pete, you go in the bunk bed, see how long it lasts. Before it collapses. Didn't you used to have a bunk bed?
Yeah,
Oh, Megan misses in 2 weeks. Doctor's appointment. Pete is left. Come back here, Pete. Guy is wiped out. I really hope no one saw that. Ah, this is why my body's always in pain. Pete, you check out your new bed set.
Sure.
You should hop in and see how it is. I'll go in the bottom one when you might smash me. It wakes up, Rose.
Okay.
you remember in Step Brothers how
Yeah.
it fell on him? That's like the funniest. I love that movie. Mom, Dad, we have a problem.